We realized early on that more important than what we do is actually who we are. And we kind of knew what our culture was, we knew what similar core values we had, but we had never put the pen to the paper. We debated over what the core values were. We talked about what our vision was of the company. And that was the day that Moss Tacos was born.
I think this year we had, 30 promotions? Hired 100 people. How many people bought a house this year? I really hope, and I'm pretty confident, you all feel very fulfilled at your work.
It's about being merit-based and all in.
Everybody truly cares, not just about the results as salespeople, but about each other.
One of the things that is really impactful to me is how committed they are to their people.
Always growing, always learning, always striving to be the best version of myself, and Limble helps me do that.
People here are amazing, and they're willing to pick up each other's work to reach our goals.
We all have each other's back, and it gives me and everyone else the flexibility to really unplug.
Be recognized for my work rather than being overworked, so I can go on more trips like this.
One of the things that's really unique about Limble is really one of our core values is solutionist. I've seen a lot of really creative, innovative ideas be born out of that mindset.
I can put my heart and soul and really go all in, go deep on the things that I'm learning that can help me advance my career, help me advance my life.
When I am getting on interviews with people, it's typically the last stage, and I jump in, kind of get a chance to get to know them before we make an offer. And almost every time people say, "Why is this place different?"
At Limble, we control our fate.
At Limble, we're all in at work and all in on the trails.
At work, we're scrappy, just like I am on the golf course. Now watch this drive.
I'm all in at work, so I can be all in at home.
Limble cares and preaches merit-based. We're recognized for our efforts and for all of the work that we do and our success.
One of my favorite things about Limble is how we're merit-based, because it allows me to invest in myself not just at work, but outside of work as well.
This is our shot to make our mark on the world, to cause real, measurable, positive impact.